Good morning, class 4 students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So, students, welcome back to our EVS class. As you all know, yesterday there was test of chapter number 13, and all of you have done that. That was mock test, and we will be starting with the written test soon. So, yes, today what we are going to do, as you know, our chapter number 16 were going on. That was where animals live, right? So we were doing that chapter, and today we are starting with the notebook work. Our book work is completed, so today we are starting with the notebook work. And everyone just keep your notebooks with you and start writing with me. And so firstly we will be starting with the keywords. So let's get started. So here you can see on the board there are 8 keywords written. But before that you have to make a heading of this lesson number 16, where animals live, and also you have to write the date 24th of November 2020, and here you will be writing classwork, and then you will be making heading of keywords. Is it clear? So yes, first keyword, all can see on the board, first keyword is written as arboreal. What is the meaning of arboreal? Arboreal means living in trees. That animals live in trees. वो animals जो trees में रहते हैं, those are known as arboreal animals. AROBOREAL, arboreal animals. Clear? So this is about the arboreal animals, living in trees. Now the next is terrestrial. Terrestrial. What is the meaning of terrestrial? Terrestrial means living on land. It can be any plant, or it can be animals also. So terrestrial means living on land. Animals or plants living on land. Not in water, not under the ground, not in sky. Okay, it is living on land. Then next is aquatic. Aquatic means living in water or near the water. Living in water or near the water. Animals which live in water or near the water are known as aquatic animals. Okay. Okay, now the next is den. Den is the place where certain wild animals live, like lions. Lions live in the den. Den जिसे गुफा बोलते हैं हम. Okay, so where certain wild animals live. Okay, the next is nocturnal. Nocturnal means awake and active at night. जो रात को जागते हैं और रात को ही एक्टिव होते हैं. Awake and active at night but asleep during the day. पूरा दिन वो सोते हैं, रेस्ट करते हैं अपने शेल्टर में. Those animals are known as nocturnal animals, like owls, bats. Okay. Then next is spelling of nocturnal is NOCTURNAL, nocturnal. Okay. Then next is domestic. Now domestic means connected with home or family. It can be animals, it can be anything which is in country, and which is totally related with the home or family. That is the meaning of domestic. Now weaver. What is the meaning of weaver? Weaver is a person who just whose job is weaving cloth. Cloth को बुनना. That is the meaning of weaver. Weaver is a person whose job is to weave cloth. Weaving the cloth. Next is tree top. Tree top is the uppermost part of the tree. ट्री का जो सबसे ऊपर वाला पार्ट होगा, that is known as tree top. Okay, so these were some keywords. Now we are starting with the very short question answer. So everyone, Yes, everyone, make a heading of very short question answer. So the first short question answer is, name any three arboreal animals. Now, what are arboreal animals? Animals live in trees. वो animals जो trees में रहते हैं, right? Arboreal animals are animals which live in trees. So, name any three arboreal animals. So, let's write the answer like monkeys. और कौन रहता है in trees? Birds, squirrels, monkeys, birds, squirrels. So, are arboreal animals. Okay, monkeys, birds, squirrels are arboreal animals. Now, let's do second short question, very short question answer. Question number 2. Name any three terrestrial animal. Name any three terrestrial animals. So, we have to write name of three terrestrial animals. Now, what are terrestrial animals? Terrestrial animals are those animals which live on land. जो land पर रहते हैं. You can write any three names. Lots of animals live on land. Like elephant, rat, cow, etc. You can write any three and are terrestrial animals. Are terrestrial animals. Okay? So after doing this, we are starting with the short question answer now. Do it fast, everyone. So yes, make a heading of short question answer and also write question number first of short question answer, that is, why do animals need shelter? Animals को shelter किस लिए चाहिए? Why do animals need shelter? So let's write the answer. Why do we need shelter? हमें shelter की क्यों जरूरत है? To protect from ourselves from heat, cold, rain, from the changing weather, from the harsh weather, right? So we want shelter to protect ourselves. Like us, animals also need shelter to protect themselves. So let's start it right here. Animals need shelter because it protects. So animals need shelter because it protects them from heat, rain, cold and enemies. enemies क्या होते हैं? दुश्मन. enemies जो शिकार करते हैं उनका. Okay, animals need shelter because it protects them from heat, rain, cold and enemies. After this, write question number 2. What are aquatic animals? So what are aquatic animals? Aquatic animals क्या होते हैं? Animals which live in water, right? जो water में रहते हैं. So what are aquatic animals? Name any 3. This is the question number 2. Name any 3. So write this question fast. So its answer I am writing here. So yes, the question is, what are aquatic animals? Aquatic animals क्या होते हैं? So animals that live in water. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Are called aquatic animals. Clear? So animals that live in water are called aquatic animals, and we have to give a name any 3. So example, fishes live in water. Octopus lives in water, and whale also lives in water. You can write any 3 that you know. Okay, so these are the 2 short question answer. First is, why do animals need shelter? Animals need shelter because it protects them from heat, rain, cold and enemies. Okay, next is, what are aquatic animals? Name any 3. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Example, fishes, octopus and whale. Okay, so yes. Now the question number 3 is, name the place of shelter for the following. So 2 names are given to us. We have to tell firstly where does animal live and where monkey live. Okay, so we will be telling about them. So first is, so yes, place of shelter where lion live. So right here, lion lives in caves called dens, जिसे हम dens बोलते हैं. That is गुफा. Next is, monkey live on tree tops, and leopards also live on tree tops. Clear? So it includes in arboreal animals because they live in tree. Monkey live on tree tops. Lion lives in caves called dens. Monkey live on tree tops. So yes, these were short question answer. Now we are starting with the long question answer. Do it quickly, then I will be erasing. Okay. So yes, long question answer. Only one long question answer is there. Make a heading of long question answer. And here you will write question number first. That is, how do the following birds make their nests? How do the following birds make their nest? अब अपना नेस्ट कैसे बनाते हैं ये हम बताएंगे. First is about the woodpecker. Woodpecker अपना नेस्ट कैसे बनाता है? And then second we have to tell about tailor bird. Okay, that is tailor bird. So let's get started. Answer of the A part, that is woodpecker. Firstly we will be telling about the woodpecker, then we will be writing about tailor bird. So आपको सबको पता है ना woodpecker अपना घर कैसे बनाते हैं? So yes, right here woodpecker makes its nest by drilling and packing a hole. Drilling and packing a hole. Packing means चोंच से उसको शार्प अपनी जो बीक है उसकी उससे उसको तोड़ना. Packing a hole in a tree trunk. In a tree trunk with its sharp beak. With its sharp beak. Beak means chaunch. Clear? So woodpecker makes its nest by drilling and packing a hole in a tree trunk with its sharp beak. The hollow space is lined with chips of wood. वुड के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े उनको क्या करते हैं वो अपने खाली जो होल होता है उसके अंदर भर देते हैं. चिप्स ऑफ वुड टू मेक इट कोजी. To make it cozy so that they can feel some coziness there. थोड़ा सा गरम warm रहे उनका nest. To make it cozy. C-O-S-Y cozy. Next we will be writing about the tailor bird. Okay, अब tailor bird अपना घर कैसे बनाते हैं, कैसे अपना nest बनाते हैं? तो tailor bird stitches leaves together. क्या काम होता है टेलर का? टेलर का काम होता है स्टिच करना क्लोथ्स को. वैसे ही टेलर बर्ड का काम है लीव्स को स्टिच करना. स्टिचेस leaves together with thread, wool और कॉटन. तो इन चीजों से वो क्या करते हैं उसको स्टिच करती है. The nest is lined with cotton and dried grass to keep it warm. अब अपने नेस्ट को गर्म रखने के लिए वो क्या करते हैं, उसको कॉटन और ड्राइड ग्रास का यूज करते हैं उसमें. So let's repeat again how the following birds make their nest. How do woodpecker bird make their nest? Woodpecker makes its nest by drilling and packing a hole in a tree trunk with its sharp beak. And the hollow space is lined with chips of wood to make it cozy. Right? Then how do tailor bird make their nest? Tailor bird stitches leaves together with thread, wool or cotton. The nest is lined with cotton and dried grass to keep it warm. So yes, so our chapter number 16 is completed here. Do it quickly in your notebooks. Okay, so students, that is all for today. I hope you all have done that in your notebook, and yeah, I'm giving you homework to learn. Your homework is to learn chapter number 14, book work only, that you have to learn. Here I am writing the homework. So homework is learn lesson number 14, book work only. Okay, so this is your homework. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.